with my 5-minute agenda to seek your support for my candidature. So, my first agenda is to have a politically aware, responsive, and sensitive students union. Being political is the source and solution for our problems. For this, I propose two things. One, working on the implementation of the recommendation of the Rohit Act, which basically deals with caste-based discrimination in campuses. And second, so that, which is basically based on our Lindo committee report, which has two basic problems. One, age limit for contesting elections, and second, the payment of fees as a criteria for being selected. And my second, apart from this, a sensitive union means a union which will take care which will push for a barrier-free campuses for students with disabilities. For this, I will be basing my work on IAC's audit report on the accessibility of the campus, which is playing dominant with our administration. And my second agenda is to have general body meetings. The need for decentralized general body meeting arises because of two things. One, lack of student participation in union level GPMs, and two, lack of representation of the school specific issues in the GPMs. For this, I propose to have our annual event calendar, which will be drawn based on a bottom up approach. That is, the school level plan and hostel level plan will be drawn from the GBMs conducted at school levels and hostel levels, and our annual event calendar will be drawn from it. My third agenda is to have a stronger representation of the student union in the academic council. Be it the 8 to 10 p.m. classes of the health school, be it the issues of social work students related to field work, or be it the CBCS courses and lack of clarity. All these can be solved if we have a strong student union. So, what I propose to do is to have a stronger opinion regarding the CBCS courses. We need to have a clarity and clear guidelines regarding what we need and the structure for the CBCS course. And second, to have remedial classes for students coming from natural sciences background on social sciences. And second, my fourth and most pressing agenda is the double X sword of fee hike and fund cuts. Related to fee hikes, we have a committee on fee hikes and everything. And what happened was that the administration agreed that we can pay the fee in installments. But till now, we haven't received any written communication. So this will be my primary agenda. If elected, the research scholar secretary, so that we can draw up, give maximum scholarships and fellowships and TA-ship and student aid to these student scholars. Apart from this, a survey will be conducted so as to make based on 5 data points. One, the type of scholarships available to students. Second, the amount available to the students. Third, whether the amount is adequate or not. And fourth, the problems faced by the students in availing the scholarship, and fifth, the solutions for it. And apart from this, as my friend Abel said, we need to have more infrastructural facilities in the campus, and I totally agree. So, like facilities in Sujo, whether it's Wi-Fi or cooler or whatever it is, and apart from that, having a printer and machines in the campus. So, with this, I conclude my speech.